Hello, let's learn how you can create a professional account on Instagram for your business. First, go to your Instagram app, download the app from App Store or Google Play Store. Go to Instagram app. Here I have my one personal account here and I want to create another account for business purpose. For that, what you will do is on the top, you'll see your username of your personal account. If not, you can directly start creating account. This app will prompt you to create account. Since I already have an account, I will have to go and add account. So I tap on my username here and you will see there are a couple of accounts I'm using. Now I want to create new account. So I'm going to click on add account. Once you click on add account, it'll ask you, you'll have two options. Either you log into existing account so that you log in with your ID and password, or you can do is create new account. Here in this case, we want to create a new account. Let's click on create new account. The first thing what this will ask you is to choose a username. So here we'll choose your business name and username. These are two different things. So username will be how people can search you on Instagram. Let's say instagram.com/𝗙𝗹𝗹𝗁. So that's how we are going to choose the username. You cannot add spaces in username. Let's say your business name is 𝗙𝗹𝗹. So *cafe is your business name, but your username will be in continuation, though you can use some special characters to find it out, because there will be a lot of people with the same name, a lot of professional accounts with the same business name. So you need to add something here to get that username. Let's search if we are creating one for *Cafe. Let me check if I can find this. See, now when I type *Cafe, it says it's taken, that somebody already has this username. So I will have to choose another one. So how about I do *Cafe Delhi? Again, if you see, it's not there. We are sorry, something went wrong. But if you see, there is a tick mark which is green that this username is available. Or if I can do *cafe_Delhi. Now, if you see green, which means it is available, click on next. Now it will ask you to create a password. You already have created your username. In order to log into Facebook, you use your personal profile. Here you will have your username and password to log into Instagram. So here I'm going to create one password. Let's create it. Now, so I've created one password just to let you know. So you also have to create a password. And simply, if you want to save password in your mobile, you can. For now, I don't want to save this password. And I'm going to click on next. Now, if you see your Instagram account is created. Now check this complete sign up. So our *Cafe_Delhi account is created. And now let's click on complete sign up. Let's go ahead. And you can add another phone number or email ID if you have one associated for your business. Here I'm using my same account, so it has added. So since you have your ID and password, you can log in. Now I don't want to sync in with the contacts here. So I can, if you want to sync in with contacts to help you find friends whom you can follow. For now, I'll skip. Suggestions, I'll skip. Now, the next important thing here is account privacy. See, this is your business account. Certainly, we want this account to be publicly available and not private. If you keep it private, then only people who will ask to follow you will be able to follow you once you approve. Here we want anybody can come, see about our business, what we offer, what we do, and we want people to follow us. So to that, we need to keep our account public. If you see, anyone can see your photos and videos. Let's go next. Again here, as on Facebook, when we created page, we added a profile picture. There we added a cover image as well. Here you have only choice of adding a profile picture. Let's add a picture. Choose from library. And I've already selected one. Here we go. Now if you see, I've added a profile photo. And now if you want to share this photo as a post, you select, or if not, completely fine. Click on next. Now our profile picture is set. This is just for if you want your login information to be remembered. Here I don't want to remember in my system, my phone. Click next. And our account is ready. Let's see this. Let this load. Now here you see we have the Star Cafe, we have our edit profile, share profile, and it's a public account. See this. Now you get these options to complete your profile. First thing is add a bio. So here you can add a quick summary about your business. Let's click on add bio, and I'm going to now see here you can see this difference. What is the name of your business and username? So our name of business is Star Cafe. See this. And username is 𝗙𝗹𝗵_Delhi. So here we are just going to add a bio. Let's say we can write cafe in the heart of Delhi, cafe in heart of Delhi. I'm just creating a username, a bio. You can of course add a good bio, a good summary about your business. Serving breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Let's say I've just added this handcrafted menu, and I can just maybe add some emoticons here. Let's search, let's say cafe. So I've just added this thing. You can add something more. And here now, if you see, we have to switch this account to a professional account. Only if you switch this to a professional account, you will be able to see insights. So let's do this. If you want to add links to your business, external link, you can add link to your website. And if you want to link your Facebook profile, you can do by these options. And here we go, switch to professional account, which is free. See this. What do you get here? You get to know about your followers, you get to reach more people, you get to see more options. Continue, 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 and continue. Now what describes you best here, since it's a cafe? Let's search if we have cafe as a category. Here we have it. Select. Do you want to display this category on your profile? Yes or no? That's completely a choice. And you click done. Once you switch to professional account, you'll be able to see the insights in detail. So are you a creator or a business? So here we are a business. Creator is somebody who is or want to be a public figure, or influencers who are creating content, but they are creating. Here they are the main element. People are the main element. This is for businesses. So here we're going to take business as the option. Click on next. Do you want to get some promotional emails? If you want, perfect. I mean, that's nothing to do with this account right now. It's just Instagram is going to send you some tips. And now if you want to add your professional information, here what you can do is add your business email address, your phone number. And if you want people to call you on Instagram, you can enable calling or you can keep it off. So here you need to do this. Right now, I don't want to use my contact information. So I'm going to go back. And what you do is, so it's taking my information, but you can of course remove it and change it. And do you want to use this login in your account center? You can click not now. And here you see a lot of options are already being done by us. And here you'll get more ideas, more inspirations so that you can do later. Now we have switched to a professional account, and that's how you are able to see this professional dashboard. If you do not switch it, you won't be able to see this professional dashboard. So make sure your account is public. Second, you convert it into a professional account. That's how you're going to create your Instagram account. And then these are some extra options. If you want to explore, you can do it. And you can start sharing about your business. That's how you're going to create and start sharing.